How to install the Razer application for your peripherals. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and set up Razer Synapse on your computer, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. First, open up an internet browser and just type in Razer Synapse Download and press Enter. Now click on Razer Synapse 4 from the official Razer website. Scroll down and click on the Download Now button. Once the download is complete, open the installer.exe file from your Downloads folder. Now follow the on-screen steps to install Razer Synapse on your system. Click Continue, then select Razer Synapse from the left side and press Install in the top right. Once the installation is complete, click Launch to open the application. Once the installation is complete, open Synapse. Also, keep in mind, you need to log into Razer to be able to open Synapse. Keep in mind that without a Razer device, most device-specific settings will not appear inside the dashboard. If you do have a supported Razer peripheral, it will automatically show up here once connected. But features like button mapping, DPI control, and lighting will only be available when a compatible Razer device is detected. Now, restart your computer if prompted after installation. And that's it. That's how you can install and explore Razer Synapse, even without a Razer mouse connected.